Well, it's a new year here at Vintage King Motorsports in upstate New York, and time for yet another really cool classic vintage chainsaw. This is a Shindaiwa 300S, a very good strong running saw, no missing parts, no broken pieces. Everything is intact and ready to go. We do recommend either sharpening or replacing the chain. No missing covers. Nice looking saw. So what do you say we fire the sucker up? What a nice vintage chainsaw. Folks, you can spend a ton of money on a brand new Steel, Echo, Husqvarna. It'll set you back $200, $300, $400, $500, $600 or more. You can buy this vintage classic saw that will do the same job at a fraction of the price. So be sure to click on the link below to see all the details and pictures of this saw and to buy it now, and to see all of our other chainsaws, motorcycles, and parts and accessories. Vintage King Motorsports, when quality and price matter most.